Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about stainless steel stovetop. Before spending money on those expensive stovetop or kitchen cleaners, try this DIY cleaner that will make your stovetop stain-free. You need a spray bottle that you probably already have in your home. Citric acid. This will eliminate all those hard water stains you have on your stovetop from boiling water, etc. because it's a natural limescale cleaner. Lemon essential oil, dish soap and water. Put in your spray bottle half a cup of citric acid. I have these 100 grams sachets and I use one of those. About 2.5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of dish soap and 10 drops of lemon essential oil, then shake well. This is my dirty stovetop and I will show you how clean and shiny it will look using this method. All you have to do is to spray the cleaner all over. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Clean with a sponge, rinse and wipe dry. Citric acid is derived from fruits, often lemons. It breaks down hard water, it degreases, it is antibacterial and antifungal. It shines, it removes rust, it disinfects, it kills bacteria, mold and mildew. You can see how quickly it removes all that gunk. I even use a toothbrush all around those little spaces for a good deep cleaning. You can see how black that becomes. Along with the citric acid, dish soap will increase the cleaning power of this at-home cleaner by its degreasing action and more. Dish soap is in no way limited to just cleaning dishes. It's because of the surfactants it contains. These substances have cleansing properties and serve as emulsifiers and foaming agents that work together to tackle hardened grease, grime, and dirt. Liquid dish soap is safe to use on most household surfaces and is extremely effective too. The last ingredient of our DIY cleaner, the lemon essential oil, is an amazingly powerful cleansing agent. It purifies both the air and surfaces and also works as a natural deodorizer without the artificial fragrances used in some cleaning products. It cleans, disinfects, degreases, shines, and deodorizes. And now my bonus tip. Rub into your stainless steel stovetop some baby oil and you will be amazed by the result. Just add a few drops on a cloth. I usually use a cotton one. And rub thoroughly the baby oil into the stainless steel. Your stovetop will be shiny, marks-free, deodorized, and looking like new. Not to mention that it will take more time to become dirty again because the baby oil keeps dust and dirt away for longer. Baby oil used on a soft, dry cloth will effectively remove streaks from shiny surfaces like stainless steel or enamel. Baby oil contains mineral oil, which is known for its lubricating properties. When you apply it to stainless steel, it forms a thin, even layer that reduces the sign of streaks. In addition to that, it can help fill in tiny imperfections or micro scratches on your fridge or dishwasher, creating a nice smoothing effect. By creating a smoother surface, it enhances the reflectivity of the steel, making it appear shinier. Another thing that adds to the shine is baby oil's moisturizing effect. The product usually contains aloe vera or vitamin E, which leaves a thin film on the steel. This can add a nice, subtle sheen to the appliance, making it look polished and brand new. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!